Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do multiples and factors exercise 6.1. In this chapter, we're going to study about multiples and factors. Now, what are multiples? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by counting numbers. Now, what are counting numbers? All numbers that begin from 1 are called counting numbers. So, when you just take any number and multiply it by a counting number, the answer that you get is called a multiple. And the counting numbers are, as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Let's take an example now. Let's list all the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Now all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, they are called counting numbers. So what have we done here? We have taken the number 4 and we have multiplied it with the counting numbers. Now the answer that we have got, these are the multiples of 4. So when you take a number multiplied by a counting number, the answer that you get is called a multiples. So the multiples of 4 here are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Now what are the first 5 multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5. That's the first multiple of 5. Second, 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Now the first 5 multiples are these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 numbers, that is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the first 5 multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So now that we know what multiples are, let us do exercise 6.1, which is on page number 73. Question 1. Circle the multiples of 7 in the given numbers. So here we have many numbers given to us. Which of these are multiples of 7? That means when we multiply 7 into something, we should get these answers, or these should be in the tables of 7. So let's begin with the first one, 11. 11 is not in the tables of 7. 15 is not in the tables of 7. 21, yes, 7 threes are 21. So we can circle 21. Then let's go on. 29, no. 31, it's not in the tables. 35, 7 fives are 35. So this is a multiple of 7. Then 60, no. Now 135. From here onwards, if you don't know, you can do actual division and find out. So let's take 135. Let's divide it by 7 and see. So now 13, let's take 13. 7 ones are 7 minus 13 minus 7. Now we have to minus it. 13 minus 7 is 4. We bring down 5. Now the number is 45. 7 into 6 will give us a number close to 45. 7 sixes are 42. Minus 5 minus 2 is 3. The remainder is 3. If the remainder is not 0, that means that number is not a multiple of 7. So we divided 135 by 7 and the remainder is not 0. So 135 is not a multiple of 7. Now let's take the next number 154 and let's divide it by 7 and see. So in the same way, take 154 divided by 7. Take 15. 7 twos are 14. Now let's minus. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the next number. It's 14. 7 twos are 14 minus 0. So now the remainder is 0. That means 154 is a multiple of 7. So let's circle 154. It's a multiple of 7. The next number is 165. Let's divide 165 by 7. So take 16. 7 twos are 14 minus, bring down 6 minus 4 is 2, bring down 5, 25. Now get a number close to 25. 7 threes are 21 minus 5 minus 1 is 4. So can you see the remainder is 4? It is not 0. That means this number is not a multiple of 7. So 165 is not a multiple. Now let's take 175. So 175 divided by 7. Let's take 17. 7 twos are 14. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the next number 5. Now our number is 35. 7 fives are 35. Now the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, this number 175 is a multiple of 7. So let's circle 175 because this is a multiple of 7. The next number is 191. Let's divide this by 7. Take 19. 7 twos are 14. Minus, bring down, subtract 9 minus 4 is 5 and bring down 1. Now the number is 51. Now 7 sevens are 49. You must get a number close to this, 49. Now we have to subtract. So this is 11 minus 9 is 2. And can you see, children, the remainder is 2. It is not 0. So 191 is not a multiple of 7. Which is the next number? 203. So let's divide 203 by 7. So 203 divided by 7. Now we have to take 20. 7 twos are 14. Now let's subtract. When we subtract, this is 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then we bring down 3. Now the number is 63. 7 nines are 63 minus 0. So here the remainder is 0. That means this number 203 is a multiple of 7. Let's circle 203. So this is a multiple of 7. The next number is 257. Let's divide that. 257 divided by 7. Let's take 25. 7 threes are 21. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. Bring down 7. 47. 7 sevens are 49, but 7 sixes are 42. Minus 7 minus 2 is 5. So the remainder is 5 and not 0. So 257 is not a multiple of 7. So we go to the next number, 263. 263 divided by 7. Let's take 26. 7 threes are 21 minus 6 minus 1 is 5. Bring down the next number, 53. 7 sevens are 49. Now subtract. Here when you subtract, you get 13 minus 9, which is 4. Again, the remainder is not 0. So 263 is not a multiple of 7. So all the numbers that we have circled here are the multiples of 7. 21, 35, 154, 175 and 203. The next question is match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. So let's see the columns. So here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. Now here we are asked whether these are factors of these numbers, whether 3 is a factor of 49. Now what are factors? Now what are factors? Factors are numbers you multiply together to get a product. So the product that we got is the multiple we just learned. When you multiply two numbers, the answer that you get is called the product. Okay, and that is the multiple. But what are factors? The numbers that you multiply together. That is, look at the product 6. Now 1 into 6 is 6, isn't it? So we have used two numbers to multiply to get 6. Now look at this. 2 into 3 is also 6. So here these numbers 1 and 6 are called the factors of 6. 2 and 3 are called the factors of 6. So the numbers that you multiply together to get an answer, those numbers are called factors. So 1 and 6, 2 and 3 are called the factors of 6. Now here in question 2, we are asked to match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. So here we have column 1 and column 2 and this is about factors. So here the question is 3 is the number and 3 is the factor of which of these numbers? Okay, that is when you multiply 3 into something, you will get one of these numbers. Okay, so here now 3, when you multiply it with any number, you will not get 49. 3 into nothing will give you 25. None of these numbers 49 and 25 are in the tables of 3. Now what about 15? 15 is in the tables of 3. So you can match 15 and 3. So these two are together. Okay, so you can say 3 and 3 is a factor of 15. Now let's look at 8. Now which of these numbers are in the tables of 8? Now 49 is not in the tables of 8. 25 is not in the tables of 8. 32, yes. 8 fours are 32. So you can match these two numbers, 8 and 32. Now let's look at 7. We have only two numbers left. Now which of these numbers is in the tables of 7? 7 sevens are 49. So it's in the table. So you can match these two numbers, 7 and 1. So they are matching. So that means 5 is a factor of 25. So how to find factors? You just see if those numbers are in the tables of these numbers. Okay. Fill in the blanks with 6 multiples of the given number. That means you just have to say the tables of this number. The answer you write in these blanks. So let's write 5. Ones are 5 is already given. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. So we have filled the blanks with 6 multiples of the number 5. Let's go to the next one. So here now we have to fill in the blanks with 6 multiples of 9. You just have to say the tables of 9. 9 ones are 9 is already there. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. So we've got 6 multiples of 9. Next number. So here we have 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. And 11 sevens are 77. The first 6 multiples of 11. Next is 23. 23 into 2. So you have to multiply. 23 into 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. We have 46. Next, 23 into 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. 69. Then we have 23 into 4. 4 threes are 12, carry 1, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9, 92. Then we have 23 into 5. 5 threes are 15, carry 1, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11, 115. Then we have 23 into 6. 6 threes are 18, carry 1, 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13, 138. Then we have 23 into 7. 7 threes are 21, carry 2. 7 twos are 14, 15, 16, 161. So now we have 6 multiples of the number 23. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct multiples to complete the given series. So here we have 8, 16, 24. That means these are the tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So let's write 32. 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. Next is B. And here we have 4, 8, 12. That means these are tables of 4, isn't it? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, and 4 nines are 36. So we have filled in the blanks with the correct multiples and we have completed the series. Question 5. Find whether 9 is a factor of 36. So how to know if 9 is a factor of 36? Look at this number 36. Is it there in the table of 9? Yes. We know that 9 into 4 is 36. That means this number 36 is in the tables of 9. So it is 9 is a factor of 36. So let's write here 9 is. So yes is your answer. Next one. Is 13 a factor of 216? So one way you can do is check whether it's in the tables, or you can divide this number by this and your remainder should be 0. So 216 divided by 13. You can't divide 2 because it's smaller, so take 21. 13 ones are 13 minus. Now here you have to borrow. So here we have 1 and again 11. 11 minus 3 is 8 and we bring down 6. Now is 86 in the table of 13? If you continue dividing 13 into 6, 6 threes are 18, you carry 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. So 13 into 6 is 78. Now again you have to borrow. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So here can you see the remainder is not 0. That means this number 216 is not a factor of 13. So you can write the answer no. Next one is 25 a factor of 125. Let's divide 125 by 25 and see. So we have 125 divided by 25. Now if you see 1 is small, so I'll take the next number 2 also. So it's 12. 12 is also smaller than 25. Take the whole thing 125. Now 25 into 5 is 125 and the remainder is 0. So when the remainder is 0, we know that this number is a factor of this. So 25 is a factor of 125. The answer is yes. Now, finding factors. How do we find the factors of any number? Now, there are some rules to follow. First thing is start with 1 into that number, okay, to find the factors of a number. So suppose I take an example 6. We are going to find all the factors of 6. Start with 1 into the number means 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. So 1 and 6 are the factors of 6. Okay, so I can write it here 1 and 6 are the factors of 6. Then the next step is try 2. So let's try 2. 2 into what will give me 6? 2 into 3 will give me 6. So 2 and 3 are also the factors of 6. So I can write here 2 and 3 are also the factors of 6. Then go to 3. Now 3 into what will give me 6? 3 twos are 6. But here as you can see, we already have 3 and 2 here, isn't it? So you don't have to write it again. So when you repeat your factors, can you see 2 I've repeated, 3 I've repeated? Stop. When you repeat your factors, stop. You don't have to go ahead again because we are done now. So it's over. So if you get doubles like 4 into 4, then you are done. Repeats or doubles will let you know that you are done. So how did we find the factors of 6 here? We started with 1. 1 into what will give us 6? Then we went to 2. 2 into what will give us 6? Then we went to 3. 3 into what will give us 6? We stopped here. Why did we stop? Because repetition has come. We have repeated. When you repeat, that means you have finished finding all your factors. So when we write it down, 1, 6, 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Let's try and find the factors of 8. 1 into 8 will give us 8. So we started with 1. Now let's go to 2. 2 into 4 also will give us 8. Let's try with 3. We did 1 and 2. Now 3 into what will give us 8? Nothing, isn't it? Now, so this is struck off. So cross it out because it's not a factor. It's not a factor. Cross it off. So we did 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to 4. 4 into 2 will give us 8. But can you see 4 is already there? 2 is already there. It's already repeated. So don't repeat it. It's over. It's done. You don't have to write this again. So what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Let's try the factors of 10. Okay, so again start with 1. 1 into 10 will give us 10. So 1 and 10 are the factors of 10. So we finished with 1, go to 2. 2 into 5 also will give us 10. Let's go to 3. 3 into what will give us 10? Nothing. So let's strike it off. So we did 1, 2, 3. Let's go to 4. 4 into what will give us 10? Nothing. So strike it off. 5 into 2 is 10. But can you see 5 is already there, 2 is already there. So we don't have to write this, you don't have to repeat it. So strike that also off because you don't have to write it. So now the factors, this is repeated, so we cross it out. Factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So start with 1, go to 2, 3, 4, 5 till you get this number back. You keep on saying it. Okay. So now let's find all the factors of 24. Let's start with 1. 1 into 24 is 24. Then let's go to 2. 2 into 12 is 24. Let's go to 3. 3 eights are 24. Then go to 4. 4 sixes are 24. Let's go to 5. 5 into what is 24? 5 into nothing is 24. Then let's go to 6. 6 into 4 is 24. But can you see? 6 is there, 4 is there. That means we don't have to repeat it. So what are all the factors of 24? You start from here, come down and then go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Let's write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Let's write the factors of 36 in the same way. So 1 into 36 is 36. Let's go to 2. 2 into what is 36? To find out, you can divide 36 by 2. So you will find out that 2 into 18 is 36. Then let's go to 3. 3 into what? Now, if you want to find out, you can take this number 36, divided by 3, you will get this answer. Okay, so 3 into 12 is 36. Now let's go to 4. 4 into what is 36? 4 nines are 36. Let's go to 5. 5 into what is 36? 5 into nothing, so the crosses out. Let's go to the number 6. 6 into what is 36? 6 sixes are 36. So here you have a double, isn't it? When you reach a double, you can stop. So what are all the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You don't have to write 6 again. 9, 12, 18 and 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Next is 108. So now let's try. 1 into 108 is 108. Now 2 into what is 108? Let's take 108 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 and you bring down 8. 2 4s are 8 minus 0. So this is the number. So let's write it here. 2 into 54 is 108. So we finished 1 and 2. Now let's take 3. Now 3 into what will give us 108? So take 108 divided by 3 and see. Take the number 10. 3 threes are 9 minus 1. Bring down 8, 18. 3 sixes are 18 minus. So here 3 into 36 will give us 108. Let's write it here 36. Now 4 into what will give us 108? Let's divide 108 by 4. Take 10. 4 twos are 8 minus 2. Bring down 8, 28. 4 sevens are 28. And remainder is 0. That means 27. 4 into 27 is 108. Now what about 5? 5 into something will give you 108? No. If a number is divisible by 5, it should end in 0 or 5. It's 108 is not ending in 0 or 5. So you need not write 5. Let's try 6. 6 into what will give us 108? Is it possible? Let's see. 108 divided by 6. 10, let's take 6 ones are 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Bring down 8, 48. 6 eights are 48 minus 0. So what do we have here? We have 18. That means 6 into 18 is 108. Now 108 is not divisible by 7 or 8. Let's try dividing it by 9. That means 9 into something will give us 108. Let's divide that and see. 9 ones are 9 minus 1, bring down 8. 9 twos are 18 minus 0. So what is the number we have here? 12. So 9 into 12 is 108. Now after 9 we have 10. 10 into nothing will give us 108. Then we have 11. 11 into nothing will give us 108. Then we have 12. 12 nines are 108, but we already have 12 nines here. Can you see? So we will stop with this. So what are all the factors of 108? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Let's write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Question D is 225. So let's begin to find the factors of 225 starting with 1. Okay, 1 into 225 is 225. Now can we use 2? We cannot use 2 because every number that you multiply with 2 will end in an even number and this is an odd number. So let's not use 2. Now can we use 3? 3 into something will give us 225. Let's try. Divide 225 by 3. We have 22. 3 sevens are 21 minus 1 and 5, 15. 3 fives are 15. So minus you have 0. That means 3 into 75 will give us 225. 3 into 75 is 225. Now, 4 into nothing will give us this. So let's go to 5. 5 into what will give us 225. So we have to see that. So for that, we're going to divide 225. Let's write that again. 225 by 5. Let's take 22. 5 fours are 20 minus, bring down 5, 25. 5 fives are 25, remainder is 0. That means our quotient is 45. 5 into 45 will give us 225. Now 6, 7 and 8 will not give us 225. Let's try with 9. 225 divided by 9. Okay, so here we have 9 twos are 18 minus, now here let's subtract and see. So this is 12 minus 8 is 4, 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. So here we have 9 into 25 will give us 225. Now after 9, 10, no, 10 into nothing will give us this. 11, 12, 13, 14 will not give us 225. So let's take 15, the number ending in 5. So 225 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15. minus, so here you have 12 minus 5, which is 7, and 5. Now 15 into 5. 15 fives are 75 minus, so now our quotient is 15. That means 15 into 15 is 225. After 15, the next number that will give us 225 is 25. 25 into 9, but that's already there, so we stop with this. So what are all the factors of 229? 1, 3, 5, 9, 15. Don't repeat this 15. 25, 45, 75 and 225. So let's write that 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, then 25, 45, 75 and 225. Question 7. Find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. So there's one pair of numbers here. We have to find the common factors. So what do? We write down first the factors of 14. Let's write the factors of 14. So 1 into 14 is 14. What about 2? 2 into 7 is 14. 3, no. 4, it will not give you 14. 5, 6, no. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. But as you can see, 7 and 2 are already there. So we will not write this. So what do we have factors? 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now let's write the factors of 35. 1 into 35 is 35. What else will give us 35? 5 sevens are 35. That's all. So let's write our factors 1, 35, 5 and 7. Or you can also write it as 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now what are the common factors? That means what are the numbers that are common to both? Now 1 is common, so let's write 1. Then what else is common? Can you see 7? We have 7 here and 7 here. It's common. So the answer is common factors are 1 and 7. Next, we have 27 and 36. To find the common factors of 27 and 36, first we have to find the factors of 27, then we have to find the factors of 36. So let's begin. Factors of 27. So what are the numbers that will give you 27? 1 into 27 is 27. What else will give you 27? 3 nines are 27. So that's all. Nothing else will give you 27. So the factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27. The next number is 36. Let's write all the factors of 36. So 1 into 36 is 36. Now 2 into 18 is 36. 3 12s are 36. Then take 4 nines are 36. 5, no. 6 sixes are 36. So what are all the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now here we have to find the common factors. So as you can see, 1 is common, 3 is also common, and we also have 9 that is common. That's it. So our answer here is 1, 3 and 9. These are the common factors. Now again 48 and 32. Let's find the factors of 48. So 1 into 48 is 48. 2 into 24 is 48. Now 3 into 16 is 48. 4 into 12 is 48. 5, no. 6 sevens are 48. Then we have 7 sixes. And you can see 6 and 7 are already there. So this we need not repeat. So what are the factors? All these numbers. Let's write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now let's find the factors of 32. So 1 into 32 is 32. 2 into 16 is 32. 3 into nothing. 4. 4 eights are 32. 5 no. 6 no. 7 no. 8. 8 into 4. But as you can see, 8 and 4 are already there, so you need not write this. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now the common factors, let's see what's common. 1, then we have 2, that's common. Then we have 4, that's common. We have 8, we have 16. We have so many numbers common. So let's write that. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the common factors. Next is 36 and 45. Let's find the factors of 36. We had already found it. We'll still write it. 1 into 36 is 36. 2 into 18. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Then 6 6s are 36. We've already done this. Let's write it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now the factors of 45. So 1 into 45 is 45. Let's try with 3. 3 is into 15. 15 threes are 45. Then 4, no, 5. 5 nines are 45. That's all. So here what are our factors? 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So let's look for the common factors. The common factors are 1. Then we have 3. Then what do we have? We have 9. That's it. So 1, 3 and 9 are the common factors. So these are the 3 common factors. Let's write it down. 1, 3 and 9 are the common factors. Question 8. Fill in the blanks. A dash number is a multiple of itself. So let me take an example here. Now if I take 6, let me write the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and so on. Now here the sentence says dash number is a multiple of itself. Look at this. Every number is a multiple of itself. Can you see? If I take the multiples of 6, 6 is a multiple of 6 itself, isn't it? So here in the blank, I can write every number. So every. That means every number is a multiple of itself. Every multiple of a number is dash than. Dash than means smaller than or greater than. So here let's see, every multiple of a number is dash than. Look at all these multiples of 6. Are they smaller than 6 or greater than 6? They are all greater than 6 or they are dash to the number. So they are greater than 6. 12 and 18 and all are greater, or they're equal to the number. See, 6 is equal to 6 itself. So here we can say every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Question C. The number of multiples of a given number is, that means how many multiples do we have? Now for 6, do we have only 3 multiples? No, there are many multiples. There are an infinite number of multiples. So the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Okay, so this is the answer, infinite. Question D. The first multiple of every number is, look at the first multiple, it's a number itself, isn't it? So the first multiple of every number is the number itself. So must remember this, the first multiple is always the number itself. Next one, every number has at least dash factors. So let's write down the factors of some numbers. So look at 2. The factors of 2 are 1 2s are 2. Look at 3. The factors of 3 are 1 3s are 3. 4. 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Look at 5. 1 5s are 5. 6. 1 6s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So let's count the number of factors. Now 2 has 2 factors. 3 has 2 factors. 4 has 3. 5 has 2. 6 has 4. That means every number has at least 2 factors. At least 2 factors other than 1. Okay, 1 has only 1 factor. Other than 1, all the other numbers have at least 2 factors. Next one, the dash factor of every number is the number itself. Okay, now again let's take 6. 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. These are all the factors of 6. Now here it says the dash factor of every number is the number itself. Now which is this number which is the number itself? 6 is the number itself. And look at all the factors. This is the greatest factor, isn't it? So the greatest factor of every number is the number itself. So here we can write the word greatest. The greatest factor of every number is the number itself. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.